Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast.
We're very happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very useful. We are talking about English at the doctor.
Yes, doctor visits are common, and English can help you feel confident.
Don't worry if your English is simple. Simple English is good English.
Exactly. We will listen, then we will discuss, then we will listen again.
If you like learning English with us, please like and follow the podcast.
And share it with a friend who is learning English too.
All right, let's begin. You are doing great already. At the doctor. Phrase 1. I need to see a doctor.
Our first sentence is very easy. I need to see a doctor.
Let's say it together. I need to see a doctor.
Good job. This sentence is for the clinic or hospital.
Example. I don't feel well. I need to see a doctor.
Again, listen. I need to see a doctor.
Now you say it. Good. You're improving already. Phrase 2. I don't feel well.
This sentence is very common. I don't feel well.
It means something is wrong with your body.
Example. I don't feel well. I feel weak.
Let's repeat slowly. I don't feel well.
Nice. Clear and simple.
Phrase 3. What's the problem? Now the doctor speaks. What's the problem?
This means, what is wrong?
Doctor. What's the problem? Patient. I don't feel well.
Let's listen again. What's the problem?
Great job listening carefully. Phrase 4. I have a headache.
Now we talk about pain. I have a headache.
Headache means pain in the head.
Example. I have a headache and I feel tired.
Repeat after me. I have a headache.
Very good. Simple and clear.
Phrase 5. I have a fever. Another common problem. I have a fever.
Fever means your body feels hot.
Example. I have a fever. I need medicine.
Say it again. I have a fever.
Nice pronunciation. Keep going. Phrase 6. I have a cough.
Listen to this one. I have a cough.
A cough is when you cough from your throat.
Example. I have a cough and a sore throat.
Repeat slowly. I have a cough.
Good job. You sound confident.
Phrase 7. Where does it hurt? Now the doctor asks, where does it hurt?
This means, where is the pain?
Doctor, where does it hurt? Patient, it hurts here.
Let's listen again. Where does it hurt?
Excellent listening carefully. Phrase 8. It hurts here.
Simple answer. It hurts here.
You can point to your body when you say it.
Example. It hurts here, in my stomach.
Repeat with me. It hurts here.
Very nice.
Phrase 9. How long have you felt this way?
Now a longer question. How long have you felt this way? This asks about duration, not exact time.
You can answer simply.
Example answer. I felt this way for some days.
Let's listen again. How long have you felt this way?
Good job. Don't rush. Slow English is okay.
Phrase 10. Do you have any allergies?
Important question. Do you have any allergies?
Allergy means your body reacts badly to something.
Example answer. Yes, I have allergies. Or, no, I don't have allergy.
Repeat the question. Do you have any allergies?
Nice work.
Phrase 11. I am taking medicine. Now we talk about medicine.
Example. I am taking medicine for my cough.
Repeat together. I am taking medicine.
Very clear. You're doing great.
Phrase 12. Take this medicine.
Doctor speaks again. Take this medicine.
It is advice from the doctor.
Example. Take this medicine after food.
Repeat slowly. Take this medicine.
Good listening skills.
Now a mini role play. Real life dialogue. Now let's listen to a short conversation.
Doctor, what's the problem?
Patient. I don't feel well.
Doctor, where does it hurt?
Patient. It hurts here.
Doctor, do you have a fever?
Yes, I have a fever.
Doctor, take this medicine.
Patient. Thank you, doctor.
Very nice and very real.
Phrase 13. I feel dizzy.
Let's start with a new phrase. I feel dizzy.
Listen carefully. I feel dizzy.
Dizzy means your head feels light. You feel like the room is moving.
Example. I feel dizzy and weak.
Let's repeat together. I feel dizzy.
Good job. Say it again slowly.
Nice. Clear English is good English.
Phrase 14. I feel nauseous.
Now a new word. I feel nauseous. Nauseous means you feel like vomiting.
Example. I feel nauseous after eating.
Repeat after me. I feel nauseous.
Great effort. New words take time. You're doing well.
Phrase 15. I have stomach pain. This is very common. I have stomach pain.
Listen again. I have stomach pain.
Example. I have stomach pain and I feel sick.
Repeat slowly. I have stomach pain.
Good job. Very natural sentence.
Phrase 16. I feel very tired. Another useful sentence. I feel very tired.
You can say this when you have no energy.
Example. I feel very tired today.
Repeat with me. I feel very tired.
Nice pronunciation. Keep going.
Phrase 17. I can't sleep well. Listen carefully. I can't sleep well.
This means your sleep is not good.
Example. I can't sleep well because of pain.
Repeat slowly. I can't sleep well.
Very good. You're learning real-life English.
Phrase 18. I feel stressed.
Now an emotional feeling. I feel stressed.
Stressed means your mind feels heavy. Example. I feel stressed and tired.
Repeat together. I feel stressed.
Good job. Simple but powerful sentence. Phrase 19. Do you smoke?
Now doctor asks a question. Do you smoke?
Smoke means cigarettes.
Possible answers. Yes, I smoke. Or no, I don't smoke.
Repeat the question. Do you smoke?
Nice listening skills.
Phrase 20. Do you drink alcohol? Another doctor question. Do you drink alcohol?
Answer can be simple.
Yes, I drink alcohol. Or no, I don't drink alcohol.
Repeat the question slowly.
Do you drink alcohol? Well done. Very clear. Phrase 21. Please lie down.
Now doctor gives instruction. Please lie down.
Lie down means rest on the bed.
Example. Please lie down and relax.
Repeat. Please lie down.
Good manners and good English.
Phrase 22. I will check you. Doctor says, I will check you.
Check means examine your body.
Example. I will check your stomach.
Repeat with me. I will check you.
Nice and natural. Phrase 23. Is it serious?
Patient asks this question. Is it serious?
Serious means very bad or dangerous.
Repeat slowly. Is it serious?
Good question to know. Phrase 24. It's not serious. Doctor replied. It's not serious.
This is a comforting sentence.
Example. It's not serious. Don't worry.
Repeat together. It's not serious.
Good job. Calm English. Phrase 26. Drink plenty of water. Doctor said. Drink plenty of water.
Plenty means a lot.
Repeat slowly. Drink plenty of water.
Great pronunciation.
Phrase 27. Come back if you feel worse.
Listen carefully. Come back if you feel worse.
Worse means more bad.
Repeat together. Come back if you feel worse.
Good job. Very useful sentence. Long role play. Real life practice.
Now listen to a longer conversation.
Doctor, what's the problem?
Patient, I don't feel well.
Doctor, what do you feel?
Patient, I feel dizzy and tired.
Do you have stomach pain?
Patient, yes, I have stomach pain.
Please lie down.
Patient, okay.
I will check you.
Patient, is it serious?
It's not serious.
Patient, that's good.
Doctor, you need one. Drink plenty of water.
Patient, thank you, doctor.
Very nice conversation. Repeat, feel confident.
Let's repeat some key sentences again.
I feel dizzy.
I have stomach pain.
You need rest.
Drink plenty of water.
Great work. Repetition builds confidence.
Wrap up. Great job today. You learned many useful sentences.
Let's recap together.
I need to see a doctor.
I don't feel well.
I have a headache.
Where does it hurt?
Take this medicine.
These sentences are simple, but very powerful.
Practice them again and again. Speak slowly.
You are improving already. We are proud of you.
Now, a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you say first when you visit a doctor?
We love reading your answers.
Keep learning, keep smiling.
You did an amazing job today.
These phrases help you in real life.
Speak slowly, speak clearly.
Mistakes are okay. Learning is happening.
Now, a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what sentence do you find most useful at the doctor?
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing, keep believing.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.